All right, guys, so I don't know exactly where this is going to fall into a video, but made some progress again today. This is actually the next day from, or doesn't matter. We spent some time cleaning and pressure washing the frame, got it down to about as bare metal as I'm going to get it without having like a professional tank or anything. So it's looking really, really good. Actually, a lot of solid clear metal up through here. We got in all of the nooks and cranny bits, you know, the hard reach places that we could get, and hopefully we got everything ready to go for paint. So kind of ahead of schedule right now, and I do believe this is about as good as it's gonna get. I think we can actually say that the POR-15 is not going to have any problem sticking to this. So I don't know. Moving on to the next thing now, prepping the paint booth, which I'm not going to show you guys that, but that's what I'm going to go do. All right, guys, so you've seen us putting up the kill room or the paint booth, but we got it all put up. It looks pretty good. It's going to seal up pretty decent. It's already warm in there. I just had the heater running, and the metal's actually already up to temperature. I mean, it's like 55 out right now, but it's already warm in here. The metal is warm. I put a laser on it and it says 66 degrees, so that's warm, but kind of give you the shot. Like, I covered as much up in plastic. I know it's an old horse barn, but it ain't mine. The only place that's open is over there by the heater, and then I can just close that really simple and then shoot it. I'm also going to need some vents, so there's not really a whole lot of venting going on. So right here about, I'm going to cut a hole that can easily be closed up, and you know, whatever. I'm going to put a few extra lights in here, but I've got plenty of room to work. It's looking pretty good in here, honestly. So I'm excited to get started. Just added the plastic there, can't really see, but I am cleaning the paint gun up from the last time that I sprayed this stuff. And we are going through with attaching all the attachments to the air compressor that I need, just getting stuff ready. You know, you'll notice as I'm painting, I'm not painting the rear end on this because I'm going to use my rear end that's in the donor truck, is what I'm calling it, because everything's coming off of it going onto this frame. So I'm going to skip the rear end and the shocks and stuff like that. I just didn't feel like removing them. This is 20 minutes worth of work trying to get each one of them rusted bolts out of there, so I wasn't dealing with it. But just kind of excited to get ready to get this thing kicked off and painted. So I will probably just go ahead and skip to a time lapse of doing that. I have no instruction for you. Again, I'm not a professional in doing any of this stuff. I can only do it and then say, hey, you seen how I did it. You go and do it yourself. But anyway, time to get to work. I'll see you guys all suited up. Hey guys, so it's going pretty good in there if I'm honest. Minus, I don't know what's going on here, the mask. I don't know. I'm not breathing in anything, so I think it's working, but anyway. It's coming out really, really well. It really is. I just had to step outside, catch a clean breath of air. And so I can take you guys in a second and show you what's up. I got the heat on in there right now, so it's a little loud. I really hope the sound comes through. So I'm going to speak up when I'm in there. But kind of want to show you because it's turning out better than I thought it would. And I'm really happy I went ahead and did this. I'm going to turn you guys around. So I've missed a lot of places here and there, and I haven't done basically any of this area here. But yeah, it's not really sticking up here very well, but I can clean that up and make sure that it gets stuck. Like I said, I got this side to do yet, but it's looking pretty good if I'm honest. Just coating absolutely everything and able to take pride in this actually, because a few spots it looks really good, like this down through the bedside here and this tube across here. This is brand new, but still it's sticking to that very, very well. So I'm liking the progress so far. I think you guys have probably seen enough of the time lapse of it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and knock it out. I'm gonna knock out a couple more coats, and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. So it should be somewhat, or if not all cured, it should be mostly cured, if not all cured, and I'll show you guys that in the morning. So see you guys in like 12 hours ish. See ya. Hey guys, so we're back here. Let's just go ahead and address this. It's going to be on here probably the rest of the day, or the rest of this video at least. Don't get POR-15 anywhere you don't want it at all. This is many attempts of many different kinds of chemicals to try to remove what I could, all the way down to like makeup remover and everything. It is what it is. So moving on. Through the night, and I say night, is almost exactly 12 hours since I left. It has grayed up. It's turned gray a little, which is fine. I didn't mind it at all. And it's actually more gray on the camera than what it is here. So, or in real life, whatever. But anyway, it's pretty dry. You know, you can't get a fingernail in it. It's very hardened up. It's done its job just like it was supposed to. I think it's actually a lot more gray because it's condensating. back here is condensation on this, so that's weird.
I saw that up front.
So anyway, as far as this goes, today we're gonna get the wheels on it, get some stuff moved over, and then maybe, just maybe, get the other truck. So that was a lot of work. Now that I'm looking back at it, I didn't really see too many places that I missed, so I'm really happy that it turned out as well as it did. But if you got any advice, leave it down in the comments. Go ahead and correct me on anything that I did wrong. Someone else might read a comment and learn something from it, but I'm pretty happy the way it turned out. So for the rest of this video, I think we'll be kind of dealing with the cab, and if not, then this will be the end of this video, and I will check you guys into the next one.